check it whether it is a balanced transportation. Obviously, it is a balanced transportation problem. Okay, so factory 1, factory 2, factory 3, warehouse 1, warehouse 2, warehouse 3. Okay, so now this always is a balanced transportation problem. Now, first method they'll give you in the exam. Transportation problem they'll give you. Okay, after that we need to see it is a balanced transportation problem. So it is a balanced transportation step 1 is a balanced transportation problem. Step 2, what is IBFS rules? Anybody? What is IBS rule?
M plus n minus.
How much is coming? So 4 plus 3 plus 3. So 5, correct?
5, sir.
5. Now step 3 we have to apply VAM methods. Step 3 VAM methods. So I told you there is 3 methods in a transportation problem. One is called Northwest Corner method. Next one is called your least cost method. Third one is a VAM method. Boswell-Apportation method is one of the perfect method in transportation problem. Okay. Further, VAM methods give you the optimal solution. Okay, guys. Further, if you want to go for optimality, the reduction of the transportation cost, you have to go for Modi methods. This I have discussed in the last class. Okay. Now we need to apply called VAM methods. Okay. So first you need to do the VAM methods so that you can get allocated cell value. So now, so we need to do it. So what is that? So P1 star. So now you need to take what you need to take the difference of the value. So rho is 0 because these two list element is 50 50 0. Next one is 90 45. What is the value here? So we can say that 55. Correct or not? Difference. What is the difference here? All of you.
45.
Next difference is how much? 150. Correct. Now column wise difference is 40. Next 5 or 15. 5. Correct. So 30. So these are written 30. 1 minute. This is done a mistake, guys. This is 30. It's not 50. This is 30. Okay, make it 30. So this will be whatever I'm telling you. This will make it 20. Okay, difference will be 20. So 30 question according to the question mistakes are there. This will be how much? 15. Okay. What is the difference here? Third column? How much? Third column is how much? Difference?
120, sir.
220, 170, 50. 220, 170, 750. So how much?
120.
120.
120. Correct. Okay, no issue. 120 is the correct value. Okay, now which one is the highest one? You tell me. So
150, sir.
150 we need to operate. Okay, first you need to calculate. So in the 150, so this is the least cost element. This is the least cost element. So here 150 or 120 is there. 150, 120 is there. So anyhow 120 will enter. So 120 is enter means this will be 0. This will be 30. Okay, correct. So now I told you this row will continue till that particular row should be dead. That particular penalty cell should be dead. So now next one is 200. So 200 is how much? Here is 30 and here is 15. So 15 will come here. Okay. Understanding 15 will come here. So what is the value? Yeah. Tell me anybody. Not 15. You have done a mistake or what?
So, sir.
You have done a mistake, correct? Sorry, I have done a mistake.
Yes.
So I have taken the lead value. 1 minute. So here 2 and 4 is there, correct? Na? So 2 and 4. So 2 will come here. I have done a mistake. Just traveling itself taken. So this is 2, this is 0. Okay, this is dead. Next two element, this will come 2. This will be 0. This will be 0. This is dead. Correct? Next P2 star. P2 star. P2 star. So what is the difference here? Can you tell me? 20. Correct. Next, what is the difference? 45. Next is dead. Column wise you have to check. 40. Next is 15. This is dead. So which is the highest one? 45. Correct. So 45 you need to operate. In that, which is the least two element? Which is the least two element? 45. This is also dead, na? This is also dead. Correct. Only the 2 column is there. Correct. So last, this is dead. This is there. Only these 2 elements are remaining. So now 50 will operate. Okay. So you cannot go for second penalty of cell. Why? Because second column, third column dead. Only the 50 and 90 remaining. Correct. So what is that? Now 50 here, 1 will come here. This will be 0. So this will be 3. So 3 will go. So this will be 0. So this will be 0. Guys, now you tell me what is the total cost value. Total cost value. Anybody? Total cost value. 1 into 50. 1 into 50 plus. Next. 3 into 90.
90 into 3.
3 into 90, correct? 3 into 90.
2
Next.
into 200.
2 into 200. Correct? 2 into 200. Plus. 2 into 50. Correct? 2 into 50. How much coming? Tell me.
820.
820. Very good. 820. Okay. Now we have to apply the VAM method. VAM method of our step 4 is nothing but we have to go for Modi methods. Modi methods. So step 4, so what you have to do? We have to observe the allocated cell value as well as what you can do? Allocated cell value as well as we have to focus on what is that? We have to focus on unallocated cell value. So these are called, when we have allocated cell value, that is called occupied cell. When you are putting the what is I want to saying you? When you are getting the allocated cell value, that is called occupied cell. The value which are not occupied means there is no allocated cell. Two concepts are there. Okay, I'm saying you. So now I have to write neatly this diagram. We have to do it. 1 minute. I have to redo it once again. So all of you done VAM methods. Can I go for next page? All of you. Can I go for next page? Okay. 1 minute. So now next page you have to draw. We got a VAM methods we applied. We got a allocate cell. Now I apply the methods. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Just. So now allocated cell value here is 1. 1 you are put here. So this is 50. Okay, this is 30. This is 220. Okay, so this is 3. This got 3 now. Can you check it? Allocated cell value 3 or not? Okay, so this is 90. This is 45. This is 170. This is 250. This is 200. And then this is 2 into 50. Okay. Understanding? So now here you don't bother about the requirement as well as availabilities. we need to go apply for both the methods. Okay, I'm saying. So now here, third step, we need to find out UV variables. Third step, step 3, might be I told you in the last class, UV variables. We need to calculate what is UV variables. Okay, so U will represent row side, row variables. V represent column variables. Column variables. So I can write here U1, U2, U3. This I can write on V1, V2, V3. We need to calculate what is U variable, what is V variable. You need to calculate. Okay. There are two concepts, guys. Here we need to focus. One word is called occupied cell. Keep in mind, all of you. Occupied cell. What do you mean by occupied cell, guys? Occupied cell means which are allocated, which are already the matrices which are called allocated cell. Okay, allocated cell. Okay, now according to the what you have to do here. So that is a formula how to calculate the cost cell value. So here at this point you say this is called one allocated cell value. Where is the allocated cell value? Occupied cell value one. This is called one occupied. This is called one occupied cell because its allocation is there. One occupied cell value, second occupied cell value, this one, third occupied cell value, this one, fourth occupied. There is a four occupied cell value. Okay, I'm saying. So these are the occupied cell value we need to observe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we need to calculate what are the variables. What are the variables we need to calculate? What is the variables? U1, U2, U3, V1, V2, V3. You need to calculate. Now, you know what is the matrix methods. Okay, now this cost cell value, this is called C11. So this is called C11 equal to at this point V1 plus V1. Okay, at this point 50 equal to C11, 50 equal to this is called C11. This is called C11. 50 equal to C11. This C11, C12, C13, C21. C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. So these are called matrix methods. So now this is called 50. The one allocated cell we got it. Now next one is called, this is called C21, C21 equal to, so this is called V2, U2 plus V1. Okay. So second allocated cell. Then third allocated cell, this one you are going for, they're called C32 because this C32 equal to U3, this is called U3, this side called row side U3, column side called plus B2. Anybody doubts? Tell me. Anybody is having doubts? Next one, another allocated cell, occupied cell is there. C3 equal to at this point. So at this point, what is the value equal to U3 plus V3? Anybody doubts? You tell me, guys. Anybody have doubts? Kritika, Bhavyasri, anybody doubts till now? Hello? Kritika.
Sir,
Anybody have doubts?
no doubt, sir. No doubt, sir.
Anybody, other students? Anybody doubts? What you have done, we calculate the VAM method. Okay, we got the allocated cell value. You know how to calculate the VAM methods. Okay, after VAM methods, this is called second step you are done, second or third step you are done. Okay, then go for third or fourth step. Third or fourth step, you can see the table, I don't know, chart I have given you. Fourth step, we need to calculate UV variables. How to calculate UV variables? I told you in a matrix format. Okay, I'm saying you. Now keep in mind, any assumption, always keep assumption either U1 equal to 0 or V1 equal to 0. Always you have to assume any one, either V1 equal to 0, you have to assume either you can put U1 equal to 0 or V1 equal to 0. Any one you can take. Now I want to take U1 equal to 0. Okay. Now what is the C11? So this equation I have to go, this equation. So this equation I'll write now. So C11 is how much? 50. Correct? 50. U1 plus V1. Okay. Adjustment U1 is 0. So 0 plus V1 50. So how much V1 will be? V1 equal to 50. Correct? So I got V1 equal to, I can write here V1 equal to 50. Next, C21. I have to go for C21. So C21 is how much? C21 is 90. Correct? C21 is called 90. C21 is called 90. So we will go C21. What is the formula? C21, you have to write C21. I'm writing here, 1 minute. C21 equal to U2 plus V1. So C21 is how much? 90. I'm telling you this cost cell value, this one. So this is called 90 plus U2. V1 you got how much? 50. Correct? Which implies V1 equal to 50. We got it in the previous equation. Now which implies what will be the U2? U2 equal to 90 minus 50. 90 minus 50. So how much coming? So 90 minus 50. Answer is 40. Correct? What is this? Digital pad is not working properly. So now this is 50 equal to 40. So U2 equal to 40. So U2 equal to 40 is how much? So U2 equal to 40. I can write. You understanding? Next we calculate what is the value of you need to calculate next equation C32. Okay, now I have to do it. So anybody can write it. So here I can write C 1 minute. C all have written, all of you? Have you written all the things? Students, have you written all the things?
Yes,
Somebody has
sir.
to tell me. Can I erase this one?
Sir. Yes, sir.
It's written.
Yes, sir.
It will take time, guys. It's not so easy. It will take time. 2 parts in the class I will tell. So now I'll take max another 5-10 minutes because class started a little late because of transportation problem. Late, bus come late. Now C32. How to calculate C32? Okay, now here C32. So now C32 equal to U3 plus V2. Okay. Now C32, which one? C32 is 200. Correct. These are these 32 equal 200. So 3 or 200 equal to U3. What is V2? V2 we not got V2 any equation. So we not any relation you got. You have to keep this relation as usual. We will go for next relation. Let's see how we will get the value. Okay. So there is no V3 we don't have, V2 we don't have. You have to calculate classes. So now I'll go for third equation C33. C33 equal to U3 plus V3. Okay. So now we need to calculate. Both the things are not happening. Now we can equate now these 2 equations. Can you equate these 2 equations? So now here C33 is how much? C3 is how much? Your 50. Correct? 50 equal to U3 plus V2. 2 equal equation is coming here. What is that? 200 equal to U3 plus V2. Next 50 equal to U3 plus V3. Now both of you equate and tell me what is the value. All of you. What is that? Tell me what is the value. This will cancel, na? So this will be, this is plus, this will be minus, correct? So this will be minus. So you can calculate, na? You can cancel it. No, this is called V3, na? We're not able to do it. So what is the relation? We can do it. So V2, V3 is coming. So So we'll get V2, we have not got the relation, still we are somewhere we are stuck. Okay. We need to calculate a variable. If you are not able to calculate a variable, we will not get the outcome. That is the thing. So we need to do one thing here. So y is not getting. We need to calculate variable. Somewhere we have done mistakes. Now we got V1, U2 got it. So we need to calculate all the variables. So equation we need to do it. 1, 3, 2, 2. Okay, correct. Somewhere we are missing some one allocated cell value. So now here, now you tell me how many we got, Kritika. You tell me how many. What is IBS value? Tell me. What is IBFS value?
5, sir.
5. But how much you got allocated cell value here? 4, isn't it? So you cannot apply. Why? Because keep in mind this is one of the special question, guys. When keep in mind all this question here is allocated cell is 4. Okay, but our IBS is got 5. So you need to operate another allocated cell value. You have to keep in such a manner to equate. Okay, I'm saying. So now here IBFS value we should match the what is that? Allocated set value should be IBSS. We cannot operate because it will not get. We cannot get the UV variables. Now what you have to do here under this condition, you have to apply one dummy cell value. So here what you have to do? Keep in mind here what is happening. Your IBFS is getting 5 at the bottom. Allocated cell value getting 4. Okay. Now you see here. We need to match it. We need to match it. We have to create a dummy stone value. Keep in mind, this is one concept. This is a new concept. Dummy stone value. So what is dummy stone value? You have to search the place which is the least cost value. Can you tell me which is the least cost value? 50, 90, 220, 200, 50, 170, 220, 45. So 30 is the least cost value. 30. Here you have to put a dummy cell value called allocated cell value. Okay. Okay, keep in mind. So when you are applying the dummy, when you want to apply for Modi methods, you have to match the IBFS equal to allocated cell value. Now what is allocated cell value is 5. All of you make a note on that here. All of you write a note on that. Note. Here note you can write. If, write all of you. If the VAM method, write a note, if the VAM method, if after the applying the VAM method, after the applying the VAM method, okay, if IBFS is not equal to allocated cell value, okay, if IBFS is not equal to the allocated cell value, then put the dummy stone, this is also known as stone stepping methods. Dummy stone in the empty cell, with the lowest cost, So here 30 is the lowest cost, correct? You would put a dummy cell, correct? Understanding? So you remember? Understand what I'm saying you? If after VAM methods, if you want to convert the transportation problem into optimal problem, we have, if the IBFS is not equal to the allocated cell value, then put a dummy stone in the empty cell, which is the lowest cost value. So here 50, 90, 250, 200, 50, 170, 200. So 30 is the lowest cost value. So you have to put a dummy cell. Now here we got 4 equations, guys. Okay. Now another equation will come automatically. What is the equation will be? C12 equal to U1 plus V2. Now we'll see how the equation. I will take you hardly 2 minutes and 5 minutes. I'll not take because this is very critical. Okay, 1 minute. Once again, we'll solve the what is that? UV variables. All the equation you will take UV variable, solve it. Now this UV variable after calculation, I'll go for next class. Further tracing method I'll tell you. Okay. If you have any doubts, any of this question problematic will come in, will not come in exam. Only for your knowledge, theoretical questions they will ask you. Modi method they will never ask you problematic. Only they will ask you theoretical. For your understanding, I am doing. Plus V1. Okay. So now here C1 is how much? 50. V1 you are putting 0 plus V1. So V1 equal to 50. Got it? So first V1 you got it 50. Next second equation we going to C12. C12 equal to U1 plus V2. U1 plus V2. Correct? Now you can get a use. Here C12 is called 30 equal to U0 U1 equal to 0 plus V2. Now V2 got here how much? 30. Okay, now V2 got.
Sir, screen is not visible, sir.
Screen is not visible. Huh? 1 minute. Why is not visible? Now it's visible?
Yes, sir. Now it is visible, sir.
So here I am writing what I am telling you. Understand what I am saying you? We added one. What is that? One empty dummy cell value. Why? Because you added. Because IBFS is not equal to allocated cell value. You have to search the lowest cost. All these things lowest cost cell, which 30 is the lowest cost. So I put 0 as the allocated cell value. Okay, what I'm saying. Now we got a equation matrix according to matrix method. I got these are the equations. Okay, what I'm saying. So C11 U1 plus V1 at this place C11 V1 and U1. So 50 got it. U1 you are assume equal to 0. I told you, you have to assume as 0. So V1 equal 50. Correct. Next, at this point, C12 equal to U1 plus V2. So C12 is nothing but 30. U1 equal to 0. V2 got 30. So V2 equal to 30. Next, we go for next these two equations. We need to variable calculate. So another V3, U3, V3 variable you need to calculate. Okay. 1 minute. So this I'll remove this one. All of you written this thing already? These are all of you written? All of you written or not?
Written, sir.
This part you written, huh? So I can remove this one. So now third equation C32. Third equation. 1 minute. C32 equal to U3 plus V2. Okay, what I'm saying? C32 is how much? How much? C32. Anybody? Kritika.
200.
How much?
200, sir.
200. U3 plus V2 how much? V2 got 30. Correct? So what will be the U3? 200 minus 30. It's called 170. Correct? So U3 equal to 170. So 170 I got it. Then last equation C33 equal to U3 plus V3. Okay. So C33 is called 50, which is equal to U3 is how much? we got U3 170 plus V3. So B3, how much will got? It will come negative, correct or not? It will come negative. V3 is how much? 50
170.
minus 170. So 1 minus 120 will come. Minus 120. Now guys, next class, 11 o'clock, I'll teach you further step. This is called fourth step. Fourth step we completed. Step 1, balance transportation problem. Step 2, IBFS rule. Step 3, VAM method. Step 4, UV variables. Okay, I told you how to calculate UV variables. If IBFS is not equal to the allocated cell value, you have to add dummy cell with the least cost value. So when you want to apply Modi method, keep in mind when you want to apply Modi method, so IBFS, initial basic feasible solution, should equal to the allocated cost cell value. Okay, I'm saying you understanding? So this is over. I will tell you 11 o'clock call tracing, corp tracing, how to change the allocated cell value. Okay, I'm saying you will understand more clarity. It's very interesting, guys. We'll meet at 11 o'clock. Okay, I got little bit disturbed in coming classes. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. We don't have hurry. Lot of time is there. Okay, guys. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Students.